Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can create a GIF only with CapCut application. Open your CapCut application and then you just need to tap into this new project and start the new project. The next you just need to tap into the video that you want to create to be a GIF. Since I have no video, I would like to use the video stocks from the CapCut. I would like to have a GIF from cat video, so just tap cat and then you just need to find the cat video that you want to use for the GIF. Now just need to go click add. I already got this type of video, so I would like to adjust things like which area that I would like to turn become a GIF. Now I just need to isolate and pick the area, and then you just need to go delete for the rest. So 2 seconds, 2 or 3 seconds could be the ideal times, the good times to be used as GIF. Before you save it, just take a look on this 1080p, tap on it, and that could be a video and GIF. Tap into GIF and then you will need to adjust it. If your CapCut application is already in a pro version, you can just choose this ultra high, so you will get the better resolutions. But here I would like to use this standard, and then you just need to export it. And it's already exported, and now you just need to go back into your home screen and open your photo library, and then you just need to open the GIF. You already got the GIF. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.